Would your family survive a year underground? It's not just science fiction. Preparation is smart. Most people stock the wrong foods, focusing on comfort over nutrition and shelf life. I'm Mrs. Umar, dietitian and bunker expert. A stressed body needs more than calories. It needs balanced nutrients to stay healthy and sane. A well-stocked pantry is your defense against hunger, disease, and despair. Today, we'll build the ultimate survival pantry, focusing on shelf life, nutrition, and practical storage. Here are bunker-safe foods that could save your life. Let's engineer your lifeline. Protein is survival's foundation. Without it, your body breaks down muscle for fuel, weakening you even if calories are plentiful. Canned meats, chicken, tuna, salmon last for years and are ready to eat. Freeze-dried meats and egg powder offer decades of shelf life and versatility. Textured vegetable protein, TVP, is a plant-based, shelf-stable protein that mimics meat. Peanut butter powder is lightweight, long-lasting, and protein-rich. Stock a variety of these to avoid flavor fatigue and ensure strength. Redundancy is key. Diversify your protein sources. A strong protein portfolio is a resilient one. Don't let your body cannibalize itself. Plan ahead. Carbs are your main energy source. Don't skimp. White rice and dry pasta last decades when stored in mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. Brown rice spoils quickly. Stick to white for longevity. Store oats, cornmeal, and wheat berries for variety and nutrition. Hard wheat berries ground with a hand mill provide fresh flour for bread and porridge. Proper storage, cool, dry, and airtight, prevents spoilage. Carbs fuel your body and morale. Baking bread or grinding grain can be a psychological anchor. Build a food system, not just a stockpile. Protein and carbs keep you alive, but vitamins keep you healthy. Freeze-dried vegetables and fruits retain nutrients and last for years. Canned tomatoes and beans are versatile, providing vitamins, fiber, and protein. Powdered greens offer a concentrated dose of micronutrients. Just mix with water. Don't risk deficiencies. Scurvy and night blindness are real threats. A daily scoop of superfood powder can fill nutritional gaps. Prioritize variety to protect your health underground. Fat is your most calorie-dense fuel, essential for energy and vitamin absorption. Ghee and coconut oil are shelf-stable, versatile, and last for years. Ghee is clarified butter, resistant to spoilage and great for cooking. Coconut oil resists oxidation and works for cooking or baking. Olive oil is healthy but has a shorter shelf life. Store in dark bottles if you include it. Fats help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K. A mix of these fats ensures you have energy and nutrient absorption. Don't fear fat, embrace it for survival. Nutrition matters, but so does morale. Salt is essential for flavor, preservation, and electrolyte balance. Stock both iodized and non-iodized. Sugar and honey provide quick energy and comfort. Honey never spoils and has antimicrobial properties. Baking soda and powder turn flour into bread and biscuits, a huge morale boost. Coffee, tea, and spices transform bland meals and provide psychological comfort. Spices like pepper, garlic, and chili powder fight flavor fatigue. Small luxuries make survival bearable. Morale is as vital as calories. Stock the little things that lift spirits. Sometimes you can't cook. Emergencies demand zero prep food. MREs, meals ready to eat, are complete high-calorie meals with long shelf lives. Emergency ration bars are dense, no prep, and withstand extreme conditions. Meal replacement powders offer balanced nutrition. Just add water. These are your safety net for illness, injury, or power outages. Keep a week's supply per person for true emergencies. Zero prep options ensure you're never without calories. This is more than a stockpile. It's a resilient, life-sustaining system. Rotate food, label everything, and store in cool, dry, dark places. Use first in, first out to keep supplies fresh. Preparation is hope in action, a way to protect your family. Peace of mind comes from knowing you're ready for anything. Comment PREP below for a free bunker food checklist. Stay safe and stay prepared.